Today's video is sponsored by the End of Days. Open your clip in the Fusion page, add a soft glow node, and a merge node after. Bring a magic mask node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Make sure that you are in the first frame, add some points to your subject, and hit the track forward button. Wait for the daemon to do the hard work for you. Once the mask is done, if you are brave enough, you can use it like this. If you own a potato computer, add a saver node after the mask, choose a destination to save it, go to the Fusion menu, and select to render all savers. Select the magic mask and the saver node, and delete them. Bring a loader node in empty space, select the first file that you saved, and open it. Now you have your mask as a normal clip. Add an erode, dilate node after the mask, and increase the amount slider. Bring a bitmap node in empty space, and make sure to connect the erode node to the yellow point of the bitmap, and then the bitmap to the white point of the soft glow. Select the soft glow node, and adjust the sliders to your liking. If you want, you can add a color to your glow also. As you can see, this still looks ugly. Take your mask node, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground also, and now you are ready to work for the new Christopher Nolan movie. If you want to save some time, buy my pack, and you can enjoy editing in your bunker.